In this gentle moment, let us embark on a journey of serene reflection, where each breath we take is a step towards inner peace and self-compassion. To you, who have walked the path of life for over 4 decades, carrying the weight of experiences, both joyful and challenging, know that your journey is acknowledged, your feelings are valid, and your presence is a gift to this world. As you close your eyes, imagine your worries like leaves on a tranquil stream, floating away, slowly and steadily, leaving behind a clear, calm water surface that mirrors the sky. With each inhale, draw in strength and hope. With each exhale, release any burdens that have been darkening your spirit. Remember, the light of hope is never extinguished. It may flicker or dim, but it continues to shine within you, ready to illuminate your path once more. Reflect on the wisdom you've gained over the years, the resilience you've shown in the face of adversity, and the countless moments of kindness and love you've shared. These are the true measures of your life's worth, far more significant than any obstacle you may encounter. Allow yourself to feel pride in your journey, for it is uniquely yours, marked by perseverance and growth. Envision a future filled with possibilities, where each day is a fresh canvas, awaiting your vibrant colors. You have the power to shape this future, one day at a time, one choice at a time. Embrace this power with a gentle heart and an open mind, for you are capable of great things, and your experiences have equipped you with profound insight and empathy. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the love and support that surrounds you, from friends, family, and even from those you've yet to meet. You are not alone in your struggles. Many hearts beat in unison with yours, sharing in your challenges and cheering for your triumphs. Let this sense of community be a source of comfort and strength. Finally, remember that it's okay to seek help, to reach out when the weight feels too heavy. There's courage in vulnerability, and in allowing others to walk beside you. Your journey is ongoing, and with each step, you move towards a future filled with light, love, and endless potential. As you gently open your eyes, carry this sense of peace and hope with you. May it be a guiding light in your days, a reminder that you are valued, strong, and never alone.